Let's be honest, having just one income stream doesn't cut it anymore. If the last few years taught us anything, it's that one job loss, one simple glitch, one change can change everything. That's why in 2026, we're not just relying on one income stream anymore. We are building multiple income streams. And with the digital era that we are living in right now, it has never been easier to build multiple income streams online without working more. And I don't mean you're going to start 10 complicated businesses. I'm talking about 5 proven simple methods that you can follow to add multiple income streams to what you already have. Because here's the truth, if you can earn from 1, you can earn from 5. This is the exact strategy that I do in my multi-6-figure business. I started from scratch. I knew nothing about the digital space. I was just a mom who was looking for a way to earn an extra income to help pay with bills at the end of the month. I ended up building a multi-6-figure digital business, and I've taught hundreds of other people to do exactly the same. So what I'm about to share with you are the exact same methods that took me from broke, overwhelmed, not knowing how I was going to increase my finances, to earning on autopilot. And no, you don't need to be some kind of expert. You don't need a lot of followers. You don't need to be tech savvy. If this mom can do it, you can do this too. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you 5 simple methods to boost your online income this year, and why now is the best time to do that. Method 1 is turning your knowledge into a digital product. Digital is the way of the future. I don't know about you, but working hard has never made anyone rich. If working hard made anyone rich, cleaners would be rich, construction workers would be rich. Heck man, I would be a multi-billionaire if that was the case. But instead, it's working smarter. And with the digital space we have right now, you can create a digital product from the knowledge that you already have. For instance, if you have lost a lot of weight, you can package all that knowledge into a digital product like one of my clients. She lost a lot of weight, and all she did was she created a PDF document explaining in it exactly what she did to lose all the weight. She sold it for $99 and she made over $3,600 within a couple of weeks. People are willing to pay for transformation. You have a knowledge or a skill that you can teach someone else. And before you think you don't, ask yourself, what do people come to you for advice? What do they ask you? Is it maybe that you are good at writing? Maybe you are good at teaching kids. Maybe you homeschool. Maybe you're in the beauty business like I was, and you can teach someone by doing a couple of videos on how to apply their makeup. It might sound simple to you, but a lot of people need the skill that you already have. And all you do is you package into a digital product, you price it, and you can start selling it on autopilot. If you want to know exactly step by step how to do that, I did a 3-day free workshop. I'm going to link it down for you below. That's going to show you exactly what type of niche to go for, what it is that you need to create, how do you price it, how do you structure it, and how do you literally make money on autopilot by using a system that's absolutely free. So go grab that link below and let me know what you've created. One of the mistakes you need to avoid here is thinking that you need to reinvent the wheel or think of something completely new. People really don't want new. And the way to test that there's demand in the market is if it already exists, if people are already paying for this type of solution. Think about all the fitness gurus out there, all the beauty shops out there. There's a lot of it because there's a demand for it. So don't think you need to come up with some new invention that's going to take years, it's going to take a lot of money, a lot of time, where you could be making money right now. The good thing about digital products is you can literally create it once and you can sell it over and over and over again. The only thing that you need to do is keep on marketing it. And you can market it by using social media, which is absolutely free. You can just keep on marketing, talking about it, sharing results. Because once people buy it, they will start getting results. And you can ask for that feedback and you can just keep on talking about it on a daily basis. Visibility is key here. That's the only thing you need to do. Rest of the time, your product will sell. If creating your own product feels overwhelming, you can actually start with a done-for-you product. Something like my DMS, I'll link that below for you. It's a complete done-for-you system. It gives you products, it gives you the systems, everything's done for you. You basically just get going and start applying 2 hours a day on it. Literally, that's all it takes. If you already have a done-for-you setup, the products and everything, you just need to spend 2 hours a day on your business. And that is by creating content, posting, and being a little bit on social media. That's it. That's the fastest way you can get started, and that's how I got started. As a South African, I made my first million in 6 months with a done-for-you product. Because you see, I shaved off years of trial and error because I didn't waste any time. I immediately plugged into a done-for-you system that I could start selling. And while I was learning how to get good at my marketing, I was making money. Still today, if anyone asks me how is the fastest way that they can start making money online, I would tell you it's a done-for-you product. So I'm going to link that below. Go check it out. The second method is affiliate marketing. Now, this is so awesome because when you refer other people to products that you already use, products that you already love, you can get a commission for that. Think about this. If you love to go and travel, there's a travel company called Travel Start that you can apply to become an affiliate for. Just go whatever website like Amazon, Travel Start, go onto their website, scroll to the bottom, and normally there will be a text saying become an affiliate, and you can apply to become an affiliate. So that means every time you refer someone to that company and they purchase anything, you get an affiliate commission for it. Still today in my business, I make affiliate commission because I refer what I'm already using, software, tools that I already use. I refer it to my customers and I get an affiliate commission on that too. And that's just by referring, not doing any extra work. The best about affiliate marketing is you don't handle any inventory, you don't handle customer support or any refunds. This works so well because you're connecting people with something that they've already been looking for, a solution. If you know that there's an amazing fitness coach that has helped you or has helped a friend lose a lot of weight and change their body in 6 months, and you know about a friend, someone that's asking, hey, I want to lose weight, you can refer that person and get an affiliate commission. That is really how simple this is. There's a lot of companies that you can go search for online that offer affiliate programs. A tip I want to give you here is choose an affiliate program that you really resonate with, something that you already love. Like if you love a type of recipe book that you followed and you got amazing recipes, and you can become an affiliate by referring this recipe book to other people, you will be passionate talking about it. People feel that energy. Don't just choose something just for the sake of making money. You might be excited at first, but later on it's going to be just watered down and people are going to feel that energy too. Now, affiliate marketing gives you leverage, but what if you could find something that's not tied to a product? That brings me to my next method, creating service-based offers. This is exciting because you literally already have a service that you can offer someone that you can charge for. If you already have a skill like design, copywriting, or maybe you are good at social media, you can offer that service to other companies. Companies are willing to pay for this in 2026 because social media is just all the more rising, getting better and better, and all the more people are getting onto platforms and they need to be visible on that platform. So you can actually do like social media for a company. But instead of charging per hour, charge for 30 days worth of content. You're going to get paid more but work less. So just sell it in bundles. Another one is virtual assistants. Gone are the days where you need an office to be a secretary for someone. You can offer a virtual service. There are so many people that need virtual assistants, even content creators. I have virtual assistants because it helps with your workload, like posting YouTube videos, maybe doing some editing. You can even do coaching calls or coaching sessions. Let's say you're a therapist or a business strategist. You can do coaching calls and get on a call with someone and charge for that. The amazing thing about this specifically is you can charge now for it already. There's no product that you need to create. There's no website really you have to put up. You can just literally sell your service. A tip here is you can actually go into social media, go to where your niche is hanging out in, and go check what people are asking for. I have a friend who does breathing exercises and she helps calm your nervous system. Now what she does is she sells her service. So what she does is she sells 6 sessions, a 6-week course where she takes you through it live. Breathing exercises, calming your nervous system, giving you that support. That is selling a service. She doesn't have to create anything from scratch before that. She can just charge for the service which she's doing and take them through the 6 weeks. So think about what you are good at. Think about the skills you already have. If you have a service that you can offer, maybe Canva designs, reach out to those people or do a live free training and invite people to make use of your service. You just don't want to make this mistake, charging too little for your service. Remember, there's always a price perception, a perceived value. So if you price too little, people might not honor your time and think the value that you're offering is not worth it. So price it decently. Charging too little or saying yes to everyone is just going to attract people that don't value your time. And then what you can do is you can use your service money and invest in passive income streams. That's exactly what I did. I give coaching and I do one-on-one sometimes, which I charge a huge amount for, but I take that money and I invested it back into my business, and I have multiple income streams running on systems for me 24/7. That means I'm getting paid even though I'm not working, which is an amazing thing for a mom of 3. Okay, so now you are making money with either services, products, or affiliates. But let's take it up a notch. How do you make money multiply in your sleep? That brings me to method 4. Stacking passive income streams. Once you have one offer that's working, you start building systems around it. You can have a landing page, a sales page, and an accession model where traffic runs to your flagship offer, the one that you started off with, but it leads them to higher ticket offers. Let me give you an example for what I do in my business. So my main product is my digital magnetic system offer. It gives people who want to learn how to make money online a done-for-you business in a box. So it removes all the tech, it removes the overwhelm, it removes the trial and error. They can immediately start with a model that's already proven to work. They can immediately start making money while they are learning how to get good with their business, how to get good with their marketing. What later on, they get invited for a more close proximity container, which is my mastermind. Those are for people who are serious about scaling fast and need the coaching from someone that's already done it. You can have multiple offers in layers like that. Start with one. It could even be a low ticket training of $27 that takes them to your $500 product, that takes them to your $1,000 product, that takes them to your $4,000 and up product. Does that make sense? It's all got to do with your one client that you are helping. And as your client reaches different levels in their business, you can help them go to the next level every single time. That's exactly what I'm doing in my business. I'm taking people who want to start making money online to get them to make money online. And then we scale it to helping build their brand and build their own systems and products out. So exciting. I just love it. This works so well because if your time is limited, systems is what bring you the freedom. All these extra income streams doesn't have to require more hours of work. It's just working with it smarter. Imagine having 5 income streams set up for you that generates an income for you 24/7. That's exactly what happened when I was at the hospital with my little one. We thought it was going to be her appendix, which luckily it wasn't, but not once did I worry about money. I didn't worry about my business standing still because my business runs on autopilot. This is the freedom you can have by just working smarter instead of harder. And once your systems are running, the last part is all about growth, how to multiply what you already have. And that brings me to method number 5. Build authority and invest in growth. Now, this is the game changer. Once you've built a few streams, you now move from getting money to growing influence. This means if you've been running your business behind the scenes, not showing your face online, this is now the time to start showing your face. Start showing a little bit more behind the scenes. Build trust and grow your influence. The more trust and authority you have, the more people will come to you instead of you going to look for them. So start showing your face. Share your story. Document your journey instead of waiting to arrive. Just share what you're doing on a daily basis. People don't follow perfection, they follow progress. Now, a lot of people will get to this part a lot sooner. It all depends on how quickly they move. Because you see, most times people aren't stuck because of a lack of motivation. They are stuck because of indecisiveness. They don't decide what they want. They keep on waiting, keep on researching, keep on Googling, but they don't move. The people who move fast and just move forward and just go into action, they quickly see what works and what doesn't. And that's why they get the results quicker. I have a lady inside my program. She just started with me a week ago. She already made over $2,000 because she didn't overthink it. Where others would overthink the content part, like what do I post? What do I say? Although everything's inside the program, because of fear or indecisiveness, they sit and they wait. That's why their results take longer. This one, she decided she's just gonna move with it, do exactly as I say, and most of them that do it 100% of them have results because they don't overthink the process. This is why mindset plays such a big part in your business. That's exactly why I do that inside my program. I don't just leave a person, I add the coaching inside the program. If you want to go check Digital Magnetic System out, I'm going to give you that link below. There's a free guide explaining how this works and gives you some tips as well. Why it works to build authority and trust is because in 2026, personal connection is the currency. AI can automate everything except trust. And when people trust you, they will buy from you again and again and again. Remember I said to you, if you start with a low ticket product, let's say $27, then they go up to deeper trust and deeper relationship with you. So they will buy the next thing from you and they will buy the next thing. That is the perfect path of a customer that starts with you. For instance, in my case, they can grow their business the way I grew mine. I just take them through each process. And because they trust me, they will purchase again and again because I've already set up the entire ecosystem for them. So think about the transformation that you want to offer. Think about where you are. Think about the client that you want to help. What does that accession path look like? You can start with a low ticket offer. Start by building confidence by selling that offer. And then from there on, you start with the new offer, one that takes them into a deeper level and so forth. Don't try and copy someone else's voice. People want originality. They want you, the real you, not you sounding like someone else. They purchase your product because of you. I wish I really clicked that the very first time. I thought I had to show up like people, look like them, talk like them, and it just isn't the case. People want to buy from you. I had someone buy from me just the other day that said, Lizelle, there are so many of these programs out there. I'm buying from you because I trust you. Trust is such an important part in your business and a very, very important part in social media. Make sure you show up for your perfect customer on a regular basis, being consistent online. And one other thing is if you can invest the money that you make back into your business with tools and systems that make your life even easier, that's the best route. Every time I did that, my income jumped. Because you see, I grew before my business even did. The more your thinking grows, the more your business grows. So make sure to invest in mindset training, in tools, in resources that will make you grow as a person. So there you have it, the 5 simple ways to boost your income in 2026. None of them are get rich quick. They're all about building smarter, not working harder. Because here's the truth. If you can build one solid income stream, you can build 5. And once you learn how to stack them properly, your money will start working harder than you do. If you want to shortcut the learning curve and plug into a done-for-you system with products and everything, including my coaching, go check out my Digital Magnetic System below. I promise you, this is a system I wish I had when I got started. And remember, multiple income streams don't start with more work. They start with one right decision.